The latest figures we're actually getting are that 53 people have been killed, and as you were saying, Nick, more than 300 injured. Now, this is in a western part of China. Generally speaking, relatively speaking, it's underpopulated compared to other areas of the country. It appears that Dingxi was the city close to the epicenter, but it's the outlying counties from that city that have borne the worst brunt of this earthquake. According to the authorities here, they're rushing to get rescuers to the scene, but there are reports that more than 1,000 homes have collapsed under this earthquake, and we're also getting reports that some of the rescue efforts are already being hampered by mudslides. It is a mountainous region, and obviously that will make it more difficult to get the rescue services into the places, into these remote places which need help as quickly as possible.